Our indoor-outdoor hyacinth gift sets from tailors give you everything you need to create the most beautiful springtime displays, and of course, they make the perfect festive gift. In the kit, you get your outdoor zinc planter. This is gorgeous, actually, and it comes with the natural rope handles. Looks really nice. You get your 4 peat-free discs. You just add water, and you get 6 really large, gorgeous hyacinth bulbs. You get 3 of the woodstock and 3 of the apricot passion. So the first thing you need to do is rehydrate your compost. So simply place 4 of the discs in a big bowl, add 1.4 litres of lukewarm water, give it a good stir, and wait for about half an hour. So once your peat-free compost is rehydrated, you're ready to plant your gorgeous hyacinth bulbs. So you want to plant your hyacinth bulbs, point your side up, and whatever size the bulb is, about twice that size in depth. Doesn't matter if they're shooting a little bit, that's not a problem at all. So in that goes, space them evenly apart if you can. You want all 6 bulbs nicely spaced, and this is going to give you the most fantastic springtime display. And then use your remaining compost to completely cover the bulbs. And you should have exactly the right amount. So I'm just going to tip this in. So it feels lovely, actually, does a compost. And then all I need to do is position that outside, wherever I want to enjoy that wonderful display. So you can see how quick and easy that was. And all I need to do now is put this outside in a nice, sunny, sheltered position. The bulbs are fully winter hardy, so it doesn't matter if it's a cold, frosty winter. And these will flower around about March, April time. They'll reach about 30 centimetres in terms of height, and you're going to get those beautiful colours with the woodstock and, of course, the apricot passion together. And then once they've flowered, and by the way, they are incredibly fragrant as well, you could, if you wanted to, put the bulbs in your beds and borders, and they'll come back next year. Maybe use the zinc planter for something else. So why not try it yourself with our Tailor's Bulb Planting Kits from YouGarden?